The defendant's lawyers, I don't want to use the word claimed, but I don't know. They say some of the documents they served them was not clear. So invariably, they don't have anything to work with. So the DPP should resend all the documents and the video. And the video was not audible too. So that's what happened. So it was adjourned till Thursday. Thursday is 11th, Abi. Yeah.
We also understand that there were witnesses in court. Do you know anything about that?
No witnesses. We didn't see any. The one who saw the defendant, the accused people.
Yeah.
Okay.
That's all.
Is that we are just concerned friends, and we feel in the beginning of the processes, a lot of things were not, looking right. So we have decided to monitor the process to ensure that justice is served, to show people that the Nigerian police and the government can do the right thing. So we expect that with all the evidences that is available, they will do their job and justice will be served. So we're just monitoring to see that the processes are straight and smooth.